everyone, how are y'all doing today? This is part 3 of Long Branch Cemetery. There's so much out here, like the video before this one. Y'all are gonna love it. And Hubbard. Oh, I keep hearing sticks breaking out here. I've been out here a while. It's all growed up. We're in the woods off of a nowhere road. I done walked down there a little bit, but I don't want to get back in this high grass. But that's where Elizabeth Powell, Betsy Bell, supposed to be the Bell Witch, which I don't believe. And her family is buried right there. There's a lot of stuff up there on her grave. That's part 1. I'll go back and watch it. We'll just look out the rest of this old cemetery. I did leave an offering on her grave, some coins. We'll walk in just a little bit, not so grassy. 1849, 1936. Oh, this is cool. Take a picture of it on my phone, too. If I can get there. It's hard to do anything one-handed. Trying to get to my photos and do this too. There's a tree down. They ain't gonna let me. I just have to come back and do it in a little bit. But this is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Had a great tree there at one time. I don't feel like there's anything in this cemetery malevolent or anything like that. Because I have went in the cemeteries that I was really bad scared. The only reason this one's making me feel uneasy because it's in the middle of nowhere. And you don't never know who's going to be out here. There's another little part over there. Almost fell. Well, see, wouldn't y'all be creeped out here? Crocker. This is an old cemetery. Y'all gotta show me some love on this video because I know I'm gonna have red bulls from head to toe. I already know. Look at that. Just a marker. And this thing's bigger than I thought it was. There's a grave there. And I don't want to stand on it because it looks like you could fall through it. Because some of these are so old, I'm sure they have wood tops. But that's amazing right here. I don't want to fall through anything. I'd have nightmares forever. Man, it just goes and goes. Ain't nobody keeping it up out here at all. There's a marker. That might be the foot markers, I'm not sure. 1851, 1904. And a little, oh gosh. I bet that was a baby right there, but you can't read it. Alright, let's get back out of here. I'm gonna lock the gate too, because it wasn't no, it was left open. Like I said, I don't feel like nothing bad out here, but I don't know animal hopping up on me either. Well, I can't shut it. This looks like it's newer. All of that down there. It's mixed, is what it is. What is that? Lord, I didn't want to go near these woods. Okay. People be seeing stuff in my videos sometimes that I don't see. I think it might have been a bench there or something. Maybe like things peeking out behind trees and such. I'm like, ugh. Alright, let's get this one down here and see what's going on. Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with it. Well, my YouTube, because I see people subscribing, but I get up to a certain point, YouTube takes them away. I don't know what's going on with that. If y'all know, then let me know, because it only lets me post an hour a day, too. This is beautiful right here. Somebody's keeping this part cut. You know, you can't really read it. Oh wow, look at this one. Reminds me of something a vampire would be buried in. Not to be rude or anything, it just does. Like the old movies. I watch so many horror movies. Oh, do I ever. There it is. Just a marker. Oh. Oh gosh, my phone made a source that scared me to look at that. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna come out of here. I'm not trying to rush, but it's just I'm just out here by myself. And I mean, I drove and drove. I'm not whining or anything. I'm enjoying it. It's just my throat starts closing up, like anxiety for sitting in. That's interesting right there. I love that. I'll let y'all see Betsy Bell's grave one more time and say goodbye. I know you're not here or anything, but I still don't want to disrespect your grave. I'm just wanting to let people know what I think. That you were just a good woman. Took care of more people than they took care of you. And I'm sorry you had to escape Tennessee to come here. Let's see. Alright, y'all. Y'all like, share, subscribe. Y'all show me some love and have a blessed day.